Hey everybody, Jeff here, and welcome back to the channel. I have some great tool deals to tell you about this morning here from Home Depot. Now this again is their special buys of the day, and so you have to act by midnight tonight essentially. But of course we always tell you don't wait until the last minute. Okay, I'll put a link in the video description below for you that goes straight into Home Depot into these special buys of the day for you. And by the way, just so you know, these are affiliate links that if you buy something, we get a small commission, just like with Amazon. Anybody that links into Amazon, same thing. And this really helps our channel out, and we appreciate your support in that manner, because this allows us to help buy more tools to do more tool review videos for you. And it also allows us to upgrade our camera equipment, our sound equipment, to consistently up our game and bring you much better quality videos. I'm going to skip over these. Nobody really cares about the bidet things. What we have here today is some really good deals if you're remodeling, like your bathrooms or your kitchens. So right here, here's something that we hardly ever see. And this is a massive discount of faucets for your kitchen. And you can see some of these are 50%, 56%. They're all over the map, but they're pretty high, 59%. Now, normally, what's always been frustrating for me when I do my walkthroughs of Home Depot and Lowe's for you folks is I always kind of ignore the faucet aisle, because I'm just so frustrated by the fact that they only give you like $10 off when a faucet's on sale. They'll have a whole thing on their flyer, their weekly flyer, oh, faucet's on sale, and you get there and it's like only $10 or $15 off, which is okay, but it could be a lot better. But when you come in and you see something like this, 50% off, that's massive. We never, ever see them have faucets this far off unless they've put that yellow clearance sticker on it and it's over in the clearance section. And even then, they don't start off at a good price. But, look at some of these prices here. You're talking like this first one here is $59 from $119. So right across the board here, $69 from $129 here. Yeah, so they're just doing really well. And then when you get into the fancier ones here, you can see the price starts to go up. Typically, the faucets I end up buying are in the 180 to 220 range when I'm doing my flips, my flip properties. And so this one here says it was $299 originally, right? So that one's about 40% off here. Sometimes I buy them at Costco also, whenever I can get my hands on sometimes Costco has the Delta faucet there a couple of months ago was $179, and I think they had it marked down to like $140. So this is really good here if you're remodeling, and I'll show you some really good ones. I want to just take a quick look at this one here first. So you're probably wondering, why the heck do I need one of these? Well, these are great. This is granite too, by the way. These are great if you're putting in a new bathroom vanity and the vanity is just a vanity without a top on it. And so a lot of times when I'm doing my flip properties and I buy the kitchen cabinets and I buy the matching vanities for the bathroom from my cabinet supplier, they don't come with a granite countertop or anything like that. You have to get your own. And if I have to get my granite guys to come in and do a 31-inch granite countertop like this, okay, he's going to charge me $600 to $700. Maybe with a 30-inch, you might get away as low as $500, but that's with custom granite. That's what it costs. And so this is a screaming deal right here. This is one heck of a bargain, because I can tell you, I've done a lot of these from Home Depot. $239 is what I pay. I mean, sometimes I'll go in with one of my Lowe's 10% off coupons, and I'll be able to score it, $24, $25 cheaper. But that's about as good as I can do. I've never seen these granite vanity tops this low at Home Depot. Okay, so this is a prime example of what we're talking about here. So this was one of my condo flips that I did recently. And here you can see there's the bare bones cabinet that I got from my cabinet company, just sitting in there waiting for a lid to be put on it. And then right here, you can see there's the top piece there is from our kitchen granite. And you can see how close it was to the actual granite vanity top that we bought from Home Depot down below it there. See, and here's a clearer shot that shows the whole thing. So that's what I do. I went into Home Depot, spent a couple of $100s, and bought that vanity top. And there it is, close up again, the granite. It looks very close to the granite we put into the kitchen. So we really lucked out on that one. There is what it looks like installed with the backsplash. It comes with the backsplash. They don't come with the side splashes, so that's where they really get you, because you have to pay like another, I don't know, $75 or so to get your side splashes if you want them. In this case, we just didn't bother putting them in. So there it is again, another view of it there. And here's the actual finished bathroom for the MLS photos that we shot. So yeah, this sold pretty easily, this condo. Notice the widespread faucet we did on there, right? And here's what it looks like in the kitchen. Now remember, the kitchen granite is the custom granite done by my normal granite guys, so it looks very similar, see? And then I installed, that's marble mosaic tile on the backsplash there in the kitchen. There's a little bit more close-up shot. So you can see how, if you remember the shot from the bathroom, how the kitchen granite looks almost exactly the same. If I didn't tell you and you walked in there and saw these two, you probably would not notice that they're not the same. So if you're remodeling your bathroom or, your kitchens, this type of thing can go really well for you. This is a really great way to do it, especially if you can get it today at this price, and if these colors work for you. Okay, now coming back up to these other bath fixtures, I want to show you these because these are really, really good deals too. Some of these larger medicine cabinets, and these aren't cheapy ones either. These are very high quality, but some of these are often in the $150 to $250 price range. So to get these off, 60% off here, 42% off, 48%, 40%, to get these at this percent off is an incredible, incredible deal. So if you know you're doing a remodeling in your bathroom and you're going to put up a larger medicine cabinet, these are like the ones to get. I mean, this is just incredible. I do want to give you a little bit of a caveat about these, however. So this is a very large one. This is 20 inches by 26 inches. And I like this size. It's a good size. But remember that your stud spacing in your walls is 16 inches between studs, right? 16 inches on center. Which means to stick a 20-inch medicine cabinet in here, you are 100% guaranteed that you're going to have to slice through a stud, going right through the middle of the mirror here somewhere, or it might be over here on the left, or it might be on the right. But when you cut that hole in the drywall for this thing, you're going to be making that hole wider, most likely. Let's say your builder put one of those older, ugly, tinier ones with the stupid little piano hinges that rust and squeak and everything. You're going to replace it with this. You're probably going to enlarge the hole, and then you'll have to cut out the stud in that area of the hole that you cut out. And then you have to possibly do reframing in there as well. But what's really cool about these, as you can see, is, and let me see if I can zoom in on it. I don't know if it'll let us go any bigger. See, this has the real cabinet hinges, one on the bottom, one on the top. Real heavy duty, nice. When you open up these doors, they swing open just perfectly smooth. It's incredible. And so these are way better than those hinge medicine cabinets. And if you've never seen or used one like this before, you're going to be in for quite a treat. These are all incredible deals, in my opinion. And you get them mirrored on the inside as well. See, this one here that's normally $300 is down to $179. You can install these as recessed or surface mount. I myself prefer recessed. Surface mount, sometimes they just stick out too far and they just look too ugly. I think they just, in a small bathroom, they'll stick out too far and they'll just make the room look smaller. Let's see, are they showing the hinges? Yeah, see, these have real good hinges here on these as well. And they're adjustable, so you can do all sorts of adjustments with it. So this is another very well built one. And I would pounce on this. If you know you're looking for something like this, get this today and just put it in the garage, set it aside, whatever. They have some tubs here that are pretty decently priced. This vanity is sold out, but you know what? Let me take a look at this. So this one was $9.89, and I know that it says that it was originally $1,200, but you know what? In any given time, Costco has double vanities like this that look really nice in store for $7.99. We showed you guys one a couple of months ago there. Our store ran out of stock already. They usually run these during the summer, but they may still have them online. So just taking a quick peruse on Costco's website here today, you can see what they've got here. Yeah, they're completely sold out of the ones that I had showed you. But anyway, and there are also more on Costco's website because they have to pay for delivery, and that adds about $250 onto the cost. So usually, if you can find any of these in any of the stores, they're going to be significantly lower in the store. But the Costco vanities, what's cool about them is they often have slow close drawers and doors, and they have electrical outlets built into them, which is nice. And they also have a way to store your hair dryer in one of the pull-out drawers, which is really cool. So I've always felt that their vanities are superior to some of the Home Depot ones. I don't recommend that you buy any of the regular in-stock vanities from Home Depot unless they are solid wood, which they usually don't stock them. You have to go and sit down at the cabinet desk with their associates and spend the big bucks and have a custom wood or semi-custom wood cabinets. I do not recommend that you buy anything that's got like the particle board. All of the vanities that you usually see in stock in Home Depot, the vanities to go type thing, they're going to have particle board, which is a no-no, and they're going to have plastic brackets and stuff in them. Just everything about them is super cheap. I don't recommend them. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.